If you didn't allow or deny contact permissions for some apps like Google Play Store, which held apps on platforms, activity stubs, they might not work properly. So in this video, we're going to show you how to allow or deny manage contact access on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. For that, go to Settings on your watch, scroll down for Apps, scroll down again, and then enter Permission Manager. Here find Contacts, tap on it. Apps with contact permission, if any, would appear on the top in the allowed list. Scroll down and find your targeted app, or keep scrolling down and tap on Show System. And from here, go to the app that you want to allow contact permissions. And then just tap on Allow. Follow this process for all the apps that you want to allow contact permissions. For some reason, if you don't want to allow permission of contacts for any app, just come back to the same section, tap on the app, and just select Don't Allow. And that's how you can allow or deny contact permissions for any app on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching.